what I've done is I've set a couple of 2x4s flush with the base, and then just use a few come along straps to crisscross and secure it, and then not come along straps, so ratchets tie down, and then I put a ratchet on this side to squeeze those 2x4s together and tighten everything up, and I put one on this side. Then these are the poles that we're going to use. Put 4 men on each side, 2 men on each side, 4 men total. And move this up in the air, take the base off, set the base, and move it back. Slight revision to the plan, my wife's idea. We're going to use these to lift briefly. And then once they're up in the air, we're going to stack the 2x4 on top of here to give us finger room, give us a little bit of height. Same with the other side, stack the 2x4s. Then we're going to, again, use these to lift and lift it out of the base and just set it back down and use the 2x4s as a slide to sort of wrangle it back here. I'm trying to cut corners and not disconnect the hoses. So I'm going to have one person moving the filter while we're inching this along. Then once we get this over to here, the guys will lift it up again, and Heather will set the plastic base back under it.